hours of September 19, 1976, a shining object was reported in the sky above Tehran by at least 4 civilians. Lieutenant Yadi Nazari of the Imperial Iranian Air Force, plus a backseat weapons officer, were dispatched in an F-4 Phantom II jet interceptor to investigate. The unidentified flying object appeared to be about 70 miles away, and though the jets were capable of flying up to 1,000 miles per hour, the pilot could not catch up to the UFO. Once Nazari reached Tehran, he reported losing all instruments and communications, so they returned to base, reporting that his instruments came back once he did so. Major Pervez Jafari, an IIAF squadron commander, along with First Lieutenant Jalal Damirian as weapons officer, were dispatched in a second F-4 Phantom II to intercept the object. Jafari acquired radar lock on an object at a range of 27 nautical miles, its size compared to a Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker. As he approached the object, which Jafari described as flashing with intense red, green, orange and blue lights so bright that I was not able to see its body, his plane's communications system shut off. As he attempted to fire an AIM-9 Sidewinder infrared-guided missile, his equipment shut down and only returned to normal after his jet moved away from the object. Jafari later said he was startled by a round object which came out of the primary object and started coming straight toward me at a high rate of speed, almost as if it were a missile, but as he attempted to fire, suddenly, nothing was working. The weapons control panel was out, and I lost all the instruments and the radio. When he could report to air traffic control, Jafari was instructed to return. As he did so, Jafari looked to his left and saw the primary, diamond-shaped thing up there, and another bright object came out of it and headed directly toward the ground. Expecting an explosion that did not happen, he claimed, it seemed to slow down and land gently on the ground, radiating a high bright light. The next day, Jafari and Damirian flew by helicopter to the area where they thought the light hit the ground, finding nothing. Occupants of nearby houses only reported hearing a loud noise and a bright flash of light during the night.